Building a multi-agent AI video creator, 5-part series. Welcome to our 5-part series on building a full AI agent system that creates YouTube content automatically. We'll guide you from start to finish in constructing 3 interconnected AI agents using free or open source tools with an optional ChatGPT API for those who have it. By the end, you'll have a workflow where one agent finds trending AI topics, the second writes video scripts about those topics, and the third optimizes and uploads the videos. This project is explained as one connected pipeline, like an assembly line where each agent's output feeds into the next, rather than isolated bits. We assume you have basic coding knowledge, but no prior experience with AI agents. Let's dive in. Part 1. Trend Finder Agent. Capturing what's hot. In Part 1, we kick off the project with an overview and build our first agent, the Trend Finder. This agent's job is to scan the internet and social media for the top 5 AI-related subjects people have been searching for in the last 3 days. In other words, it finds out what's hot right now in AI. This ensures our content is timely and relevant, a crucial aspect for attracting viewers. How it fits in. The Trend Finder is the starting point of our system. Without it, we'd be guessing topics. With it, our video ideas come straight from real data about what people are curious about. Those trending AI topics will become the input for the next agent, the scriptwriter. By automating trend research, we're effectively building a content strategy on autopilot. Tools and approach. We'll use free resources to get trending data. One powerful option is Google Trends, which tracks what people search for. Google Trends has no official public API, but we can use an open-source Python library called PyTrends to fetch trending search topics. PyTrends lets us query Google Trends for the latest popular searches. For social media trends, you could extend this agent to use platform-specific APIs, for example, Twitter's trending topics or Reddit's hot posts. But to keep things simple and free, we'll focus on search trends and filter them for AI-related keywords. Step by step. Trend Finder. Setup. Start a Python script for the Trend Finder. Install PyTrends, an unofficial Google Trends API, by adding it to your project. Also, decide on the region or source you want to track. For example, you might look at worldwide trends or a specific country where your audience is. No API keys needed. PyTrends works by simulating web requests. Fetch trending searches. Use PyTrends to retrieve today's trending search queries. This can be done with a few lines of code. For instance, PyTrends has a method trending searches, which gives a list of trending search terms. You can run it for each of the last 3 days, or use the real-time trends endpoint and combine the results. This will give you a pool of currently popular searches. Filter AI topics. From the trending searches, filter the ones related to AI. You can do this by checking for keywords like AI, artificial intelligence, names of popular AI tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, etc., or recent AI news like GPT-4, AutoGPT, etc. If the trending list already includes a lot of tech topics, you might find entries like new AI tool release or AI trend in social media. Keep the top 5 AI-related ones. For example, if AI image generator trend or ChatGPT plugin release are trending, they'd make the cut. Output the top 5. Our agent will output these 5 hot topics as a list, or JSON data. This list is essentially the content plan for our video series. For now, you might just print them out or save them to a file. In a later part, we'll feed them directly into the next agent. Imagine our Trend Finder runs today and finds 1. AI-powered health apps. 2. New GPT-4 features. 3. Deepfake song trend on social media. 4. Self-driving AI update. 5. AI and education tools. These would be passed along. Pretty neat, right? In just a few lines of code, we automated something that would take a person hours of research. This agent ensures we always have fresh, in-demand topics lined up for content creation. Big picture. Recap. AI multi-agent designs let us divide complicated problems into tractable units of work that specialized agents can handle. Here, the complicated problem is generating viral videos and running a YouTube channel. Let's quickly recap our agents in order to clarify how data flows. Agent 1, Trend Finder, outputs a list of trending AI topics or video ideas. Agent 2, Scriptwriter, takes each topic and outputs a script or the video narration content. Agent 3, SEO and Uploader, takes each script plus the rendered video file and uploads it to YouTube with a good title, description, and tags. If you enjoy the video series, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered content creation tips and tools. https www.youtube.com/@derivaAITrader. To get the most out of what you've learned, watch the entire 5-part series from start to finish. It's the complete blueprint for building your own automated YouTube video creator using 3 powerful AI agents. Building a multi-agent AI video creator system. When you're ready to take action, you can either build the 3 AI agents video creator pipeline yourself, or save time and effort by purchasing each agent separately, or get the full bundle at a discounted promo 50% off price. Simply click YouTube Video Pipeline tab at the following webpage for more information. https://derivaAITrader.com/AI services. You'll find the links to grab the full pipeline or any individual agent in the video description or pinned comment below. Build smarter, create faster, and let AI handle the heavy lifting.